Swiss Armies for when you're bored. I don't know how good you can see. Alright. I do know, actually, because I'm looking at the camera as it's filming. Alright, Swiss Armies. Starts out with a flam. And a right-hand flam, right-handed tap. Left-handed tap. So if you're doing Clark, it will go like this. That's another thing I want you guys to work on, is the hair does at the end. It's not, it's sticked out. Remember Mary Poppins, if that helps you. Chim chimney, chim chimney, chim chimney, chim chimney. I know that's dumb, but if it helps you, that's what you gotta do. Anyway, so, work on the Swiss Armies. If you can even play them like this. Then that'll be good for when we're playing Clark. Thanks for watching. Peace out.